Hello, uh, am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. Okay, so very good evening to everyone present in this online valedictory function of AICTE ATAL sponsored faculty development program on cyber security and cryptography trends and technologies, organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kancheepuram, Chennai. So it is my privilege to deliver the welcome address as the coordinator FDP. So before proceeding further, let me give a brief report of this FDP. So 188 plus participants have registered for this FDP, and our participants are very dedicatedly attended all the 15 sessions on all 5 days from morning 10:30 a.m. till evening 6 p.m. AICTE recommended 14 sessions, but we conducted one extra, that is total 15 sessions, and the technical sessions are conducted by faculty members of our department, as well as some faculty members of reputed technical institutions across the country. 3 industry experts also delivered the talk during this FDP, out of which 2 are from foreign countries. We conducted one special session on stress management by Dr. V. Duraishami from Tamilnadu Physical Education and Sports University. We tried to accommodate all the important aspects of cybersecurity and cryptography, like IoT security, network security, foundations of cryptography, hardware security, AI for security, cloud security, ethical hacking, advanced persistent threats, lightweight cipher design, blockchain for cyber security, security issues in SDN, authentication and access control, etc. Lot of different subjects of cyber security and cryptography we tried to cover during this FDP. So as per the AICTE guidelines, 80% attendance is mandatory and 60% marks are mandatory for getting the certificate. And I am happy to inform all of you that many participants have scored more than 80% of attendance, and few participants have 100% attendance, and I am sure many of the participants will score good marks in the exam. So now I request if any of the participants to provide their oral feedback about the FDP, so that it will be collected, and please mention your name and affiliation before providing the feedback. So one by one, any participants, if interested, then they can highlight.
Myself, Pasarthi Chakravarti, Assistant Professor at the Department of CSC, SRM, Institute of Science and Technology, Delhi NCR campus. So, hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So, I would like to, good evening all. I would like to thank you to this FDP coordinator, Dr. Sanjit Kumar Nayak, and his team for conducting such a well-organized and well-managed 5 days AICTE sponsored online ATAL FDP program on cybersecurity and cryptography. I more like to say that the coordinator not only come up with the good speakers for FDP audience, but also those expertise shares their many research issues related to the cybersecurity. They show some demonstrations, the discussion on many research issues, even the threats in different fields from IoT, cloud storage and security, AI. Even if I remember, like SDN, ethical hacking, blockchain, hardware security. So different fields they have touched. Even I also like to thanks for their additional time given for the question and answer after each session, so that we can interact more with the speakers, even if we have a questions and we have not asked at that time during the lecture, then we can talk with them and even solve our queries, different queries, immediately reply on the Zoom app and even the WhatsApp. Finally, I would like to say that many of us are introduced with different research problems. Maybe some of them we are familiar with that, but many of us are introduced with new things. Even got to the demonstration of few technologies such as like AWS cloud services, ML algo demonstration with the Jupyter, even the last session that we discussed for the S3 AWS, and information that deliver regarding the certification and how we work with the different technologies. So hopefully these 5 days are many things we can take away home after going through this FTP. So finally, I thanks for the most important thing, that is the video recordings that you immediately share after each day. So thanks a lot. Thanks to organizer and his team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Any other participant?
Sir, I'm Dr. Ranjit Singh from Cryptography Institute, Coimbatore. So regardless, it's a nice session, sir. I'm attended and 3-4 days continuously in one of sessions, but it's good, and I learned a lot from the cyber security and IoT and cloud securities also. It's a nice session, and I'm also thank to you for organizing such a good manner. So at the time being and time, and as well as sharing all the recordings and immediately after completing the sessions, and each and every question is very difficult to answer all the participant questions. It's very difficult, no? But you are immediately response all the questions, and WhatsApp group also, sir. And thank you very much. Thank you for sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Anybody else? Any other participant?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Ashish Kumar Dwivedi. I am a postdoctoral researcher in Royal Institute.
Yes, sir.
Royal Institute. Yeah. I'm postdoctoral researcher in Royal Institute of Technology, Sweden. So I did my PhD from NIT Ragula. Yeah. So, but I have attended all the sessions, and it was quite helpful. Even especially coordinator have shown lots of effort, because previously I have attended many programs, but the information and services like that, video recording and everything, it was just whatever means completed that have given immediately. And session really quite helpful, and it was on time. So everything was just quite good. And of course, information has been presented in the talk. That was excellent, because cover different areas of the security. So I think it's very good for the researchers, those are looking the career in different diverse means different directions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Anybody else?
Good evening, sir. Sir, I am Kumar Pratik, research scholar from Indian Institute of Information.
Hello.
Hello, yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, some disturbance, sir, but it's
okay, sir.
Hello.
Hello, yes, sir. Am I audible now, sir?
Yes, now it's better. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, myself Kumar Pratik. I am researcher in Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. I am thankful to coordinator Sanjeev sir and his team for timely availability of recording of lecture session in WhatsApp group. Also, immediate response for all participants in WhatsApp group provided by you is extraordinary. Additionally, every lecture I joined this FDP keeping in mind that I will get some research orientation and research progress, current research trends in academia, which is almost fulfilled by the FDP. Finally, I also like to thank you for choosing such a good academician who every lecture consists practical aspects also. So thank you very much.
Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Sorry, I got disconnected. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice words. Yeah. Anybody else?
Yes, sir. My name is Monica Shetias. I'm an assistant professor from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So basically,
Yes.
I'm an instrumentation background. Actually, I learned in instrumentation. This is cryptography and all new thing to me. I can say I learned from the scratch. What is cryptography? What is the security issues? So many things I can say, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. It's a wonderful organized FDP, sir. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Yes. Any other
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
This is Dinesh Khoteta from Government Engineering College, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Sir,
Yes.
regarding this FDP, I really enjoyed all the sessions which are started from the scratch to the research. That is the beauty of this FDP, and the time management and the timely response by the coordinator, sir, Nayak sir, is amazing. So thanks for organizing this FDP. We benefited a lot. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. And any other participant?
Sir, I have a question. Actually, it's my request. Those links you provided in YouTube, that will be available for us, no?
Yes.
Anytime.
Yes. Yes.
We can
Yes.
watch that,
Yes.
no?
Sir.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Yes. You can watch. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Any other participants? Anybody wants to give some comment? Okay. So many participants responded in the chat for the informative sessions and conductance of smooth conductance of this FDP. Some people wrote, we learned a lot from the experts, one of the best FDP. Thank you. Thank you all participants for, first of all, thank you all for choosing our FDP and giving us an opportunity to provide some knowledge to all the participants. Thank you all. And I also like to thank the different speakers who really who were very much informative, and they gave different directions, research directions to all of you, and you learned a lot from them. And I would also like to thank our honorable director, sir, deans, faculty members, registrar, staff member of our institute who helped us continuously for conducting this FDP. I also like to thank them. I also like to thank our department. They really helped us in every aspect. Especially the staff member of our department, they really helped us. And at last, I would like to thank the AICTE officials, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, Director, ATAL Academy, and Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg, Assistant Director, ATAL Academy, for sponsoring this FDP. So thank you one and all for joining this FDP and joining this valedictory function. Thank you one and all.